What we're doing today is we're going to put a shelf up on the side, and we're going to start planking in.
Get two pieces out of it.
Yeah. So 18 inches, we can definitely get 9 inches of side off it.
Yeah. You think you should take that foam stuff off there?
Nope.
Okay.
Is that foam stuff is stopping grass from coming?
No, I understand. Yeah.
There's gonna be trim under here.
Oh, okay. Okay, never mind.
You won't even see that.
Yeah, yeah. I'll replenish my backpack. Oh, everything's set up for me. I am. Very efficient. I'm not working. I'm very efficient.
Okay.
My story, and I'm sticking to it.
What's the width on that shelf?
Sorry? What?
What was the width on the shelf?
9 inches.
So basically you could like go up there and tap dance.
No.
No? With those
If you were a leprechaun, maybe.
what are you saying?
No.
Into that one.
I'm not sure I know how to take that. Right here, Keith. Yeah.
Piece by 26 and an 1/8.
These were good, Keith. 26 and an 1/8 here, too.
Yeah.
Almost. We are good.
Hey, boy. Is it 9 inches?
Yeah. Kind of. Bigger than 9 inches. Well, it all depends on who's cutting, I guess. 2 in a row. What the hell's going on, man?
Getting more to the front, Keith. No, I hit a nail. Oh, and another screw. It's fairly level here. It's just these panels are off of me. So when we put the pieces in, we'll have to shim and make sure it's still level. Now we can start putting slats in. Now we'll start putting slats. Might as well start at that corner. There's no other way you can figure it out.
Oh no, there's got to be a mathematical formula for it.
No. So.
No.
Yeah.
Well, that's fine. We'll just cut you right out of the video.
Don't want to do anything, do they?
Yeah, he didn't show up.
Bleep, 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 bleep. Every time I talk. Eh?
Let's see if it's fairly constant. It's pretty constant. Okay, this is
No, just shy of 4 inches.
like that. Well, let's do four.
Let's do 4 inches and try it. Yeah.
Let's do 4 inches.
Yeah.
And then we're doing this way.
There you go. I guess he doesn't like it.
Just put it on the chop saw.
And chop it just a hair off the end.
Well, you're gonna have to drop it.
Yeah, that
one.
one, yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
Just a hair.
yeah.
Watch your fingers. Okay. Roll it another blade.
It's amazing what you can do when you have your glasses on.
Okay. Now give me that next another piece. We need another piece.
Another piece.
Yeah, when you get 15 right, then you can celebrate.
So you saw the happy dance. Yeah.
Well, just
Yeah.
That's not.
Will you yak that off?
Okay. Yep. Take the next one. Is that board? We're gonna need them anyway.
Yeah.
Cut that one off like that. Change the angle and cut it off.
Okay. We're getting somewhere.
We're getting somewhere. I think run that line.
274 more cuts.
Yeah, well that's
Never know.
it's
That's Fiddly. You said it was Fiddly. I believe you.
yeah. Finishing it takes 1/3, or building the structure is 1/3 of the process.
Yeah.
2/3 is
It's
finishing.
finishing. I know.
But they gotta line up with this one here.
Okay. You're such a practical joker.
I hope it was a practical.
You know, actually, it wasn't. I brought up the wrong piece.
There you go.
Oh, you did it. You thought I was screwing around with you again. But maybe I was.
Maybe you were.
That's right.
Psych.
Damn it. Not too sure. We use it the other side. He's getting smart. SMRT.
Ah.
See, at every job, here, get this on the video. On every job, there has to be the guy with the brains and the guy with the bronze.
Where's the other piece of angle piece there?
What other piece?
You need another piece?
Oh, what do you? Oh, okay, cut angles. You gotta speak clearly so I understand.
Yeah.
If you know how that's working out, right? More?
Yep.
Really? I worked alone most of the time.
I don't know why.
I can't can't figure it out either. I'm such a charming personality. How we doing there, Big Hoss? You have to move your screw. Now we got some funky shit happening here. Ahead or behind?
Ahead, I think.
Somebody's going to get hurt yet. More than likely going to be me. Good. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah, yeah. It's leaning towards you. Yeah, and down. Yeah.
I bet it's
Put a brace there. Yeah. Yeah.
See how, so
Yeah.
it'll have to be a brace and we'll have to push them up and level them. A lot of fiddling around. Okay, put it up.
That looks good, Bill.
Screaming along.
Square ones are doing good here.
Ooh,
Look how close the nails are to the liney bill.
nice.
Ooh, you took the paint off of the nails.
He was a fine cut, that one. Yeah, I had to make it a little bit longer, so I got to cut that angle. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
You cut it in half. You cut it in half. See, you remembered.
Yeah, cut it in half. Yeah.
He fucking remembered.
That was funny. That was actually pretty awesome.
That was pretty awesome.
Nice, that was awesome. The more?
Just got a little bit more off there recording.
Oh, shit, brother. I said, you'll have me just trained up on cutting in 4 or 5 years. He let me do all of the chop saw cutting, because how could you possibly screw up a 90 and a 15-degree angle? Quiet. We wanted any comments from the peanut gallery who had asked you.
And yet, he found a way.
No, it was just because it was short. I actually cut that with the skill saw.
You're thinking that it's going to be wide enough. 28. I wanted to put this one right at the end, but
Well, hang on, maybe I can see. How much you need?
it's got to be at least. It's going to be at least 28.5 inches. Oh, that's way better. That's way better.
Well, that one.
You're gonna have a hard time with this one.
What is that? Nails?
Yeah.
I could take a look. Just give me the height for now.
29 and 3/8.
Nice. Well done, guys.